FirstWare Dynamic Group is a tool to automate group management in Active Directory. But manual assignment of group memberships takes a lot of time. Users have to wait for the admins to get access to files or resources. The more tasks you control with groups, the more complex, time-consuming and prone to error your whole group management gets. If a user changes departments, he shouldn't keep the permissions to access shares or resources of the former one. Again, this means work for the IT. And in many cases, it is simply forgotten. Dynamic group management lowers the workload for administration. Group memberships do update themselves, based on LDAP filters and a service. A big number of groups and users doesn't mean a lot of work for the administration staff. Changes are also being made dynamically. DynamicGroup recognizes this and removes the group membership automatically. You can create dynamic groups based on attributes, object types, organizational units, even several ones, include and exclude lists, other regular and dynamic groups, 2 or more queries that are linked, and basically everything that can be expressed by an LDAP query. DynamicGroup comes with a console for the creation and editing of dynamic groups and a service module. In the service module, you can set up timestamps or intervals for the calculation of the dynamic groups. With the dynamic groups, you can automate department groups and keep the file permission groups up to date. Dynamic OU groups might be interesting after the migration from eDirectory to AD. Automated groups are excellent for mailing lists and policy distribution. Moreover, dynamic groups can be nested and you can set a priority for each one. There are 2 ways of group management. Dynamic groups helps the admins save precious time and increase data quality. And you will get group memberships that are always up to date, and you can avoid security risks caused by users having too many permissions.